Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and I hope you are doing well today. While I'm waiting for the boys, the school is not over yet. I thought I'd share the next vlog. It is oat bars frosted with chocolate. I put some Scotch toffee bits on them. You don't have to if you don't like caramel taste like, but these bars are to die for. My boys really love them. I packed them for school. So yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, I hope you can see because the sun is too bright but on an angle. Anyways, this is 3/4 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose, you can use enriched flour, you can even use strong baker's flour, and 3/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, and about half to 1 teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna mix it, and we're gonna put this to side while we prepare the other ingredients. Now what I have here is 2 eggs, as you can see, and we're gonna separate the whites from the yolk into 2 separate bowls. We're just gonna use the yolk, so you can use the white for something else, for other goodies, like so. Again, we're just gonna use the yolk, but for now we're gonna put to side the yolk and the white while we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar. So this is Demerara style brown sugar. You can use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. The difference is just the flavoring in the end, but this is Demerara brown sugar, and we're gonna measure it for 1 cup and add in 1 cup unsalted butter. So 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of unsalted butter. So you want to mix it until light and fluffy. I'm not sure if you can see the change in color. Yes, you can. I just don't have much light here, but yes, you can see this is pale now, so that's good. Once it's light and fluffy and pale, beat in the egg yolk until just combined, so you don't want to overly mix. Now we're gonna mix in our dry ingredients. Then dump the mixture onto parchment lined rectangular pan, and then we're gonna spread it evenly. Because the batter or the mixture is wet, for easier spreading, lay another parchment paper. If not, use spatula. Just flip it or fill it. So just make it as even as you can. Now just spread toffee or scorch pieces everywhere. This is optional, but I want to use up what I have. This is about 3/4 cup. Now we're gonna bake it for 15 to 20 minutes on preheated 375 Fahrenheit. Take out from oven and let it cool completely before we top it with the chocolate. Now we're gonna melt dark chocolate for 250 grams, or you can use half and half, like milk chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate or dark chocolate. It's up to you. Whole dark chocolate or half semi-sweet milk chocolate with dark chocolate. Again, if you are not lazy, you can do it on top of double boiler. Otherwise, just do it on microwave for 30 seconds intervals each time. Chocolate melted, dump it on your base and spread it nicely. Just covering the whole base. Completely covered and nice. Once spread, let it cool for half hour at least before we slice them and serve it. There we go.